been asked by one or two of my quilty lovelies on Facebook if I'll show how I do my little friendship quilts that I give away as gifts. So here's a little short tutorial just showing you how I do them. I start with a piece of ready quilted background, that's top fabric, batting and backing, and quilt all over in any pattern, all over quilting pattern you like. I've then cut the quilting down to, in this case, 7 inches by 3 inches. Trace a favourite applique pattern onto some wash away stabiliser, quite heavy stabiliser you're going to need, and then cut those pieces out. Find some fabrics from your applique stash that you like and in the right colours, and with some Elmer's glue stick, the purple one, stick those pieces down and cut them out at 1/8 of an inch seam allowance. Then spread some of the same glue stick down an edge that you want to turn, and as you can see here, I've actually been really quite heavy with the glue stick. Clip any inward curves and then fold the edges back. Continue this way with all of your pieces, and then stick those pieces in place with a little bit of liquid stitch around the edge of each piece, and then press it with an iron to fix it. Then we're going to start the sewing, so thread your machine with some invisible thread, and using a fine zigzag stitch, go over the edges of all of the applique pieces. Then I've cut some binding and stitch that on just in the usual way all the way round. And then the last thing we have to do is, when the binding's finished, is to soak our little quilt in some very hot water and then dry it on some kitchen roll flat. And you'll find that the wash away stabiliser will kind of leave fibres behind the applique, and it'll all fluff up and give a trapunto effect to your quilt. So thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this little tutorial and that it's given you some inspiration to go away and make some friendship quilts for yourself.